I want to talk to you about a method of pest control that I don't see people say enough about, and it's really simple. Let me show you. So usually when I see people talking about spider mite or thrip or mealybug control, they're talking about chemical methods or really tedious, like wiping down each leaf, when actually there's a way that can be really effective, that doesn't cost anything, and is really fast. The technique I'm talking about is actually washing the pests off with water. But there are some caveats to this because I see people do this, but they don't do it the right way. And so let me demonstrate that for you. So I see people do this, but one of the mistakes I see is people are using too gentle of a stream of water because they're using either their shower head or like the sprayer from their sink or something like this, which is designed to break up the water and keep it from eroding the soil. So if you were to use this, it comes out really soft and it's not going to really wash off very many pests. So I take that cap off and I just generally use something like this cutoff valve because if you open it up a little bit, it's going to come out with quite a lot of velocity, and that's what you're looking for. So you want smaller water droplets that are coming out with quite a bit of speed, but not enough force to actually do damage to the leaves. Ideally, it's going to be just below that threshold of causing damage to the plant. So I'm going to go ahead and do this plant, and the key is you want to try to spray the undersides of the leaves as much as possible because that's usually where most of the pests are hanging out. Too much. Slow it down, like that. That's all there is to it. Now, over the last week, I actually talked with some insect researchers that have been experimenting on this, and they actually said that with a sufficient spray of water, the majority of these bugs actually never make it back to the plants because they either get lost or they get damaged by this jet of water. The other takeaway from this would be to do it consistently though, because if you wait, say, a month between doing this, then that gives those bugs a time to rebound if you didn't get them all off the first time. So yeah, go ahead and blast those plants.